Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can take printouts of your data with respect to your general ledgers, or how you can export the data of your ledgers into Excel sheets. So to do that, we'll have to go to business summary, account statement. Okay, in account statement, here in select account you will see all your ledgers. So the data which you want to take the printout or where you want to export to Excel, just select that ledger here. First select the date range, okay, say from 3rd April. Click on refresh. Now if you want to print this, you will have to just click on your name here and click on print. Okay, you can take the printout of all your general ledgers data, okay, and you can click on print here. Or say you don't want to take a printout and you want to export it to Excel, then also you can just say export to Excel and it will be your data will be exported to Excel. So friends, this way we can export general ledgers data into Excel sheet, or you can take printout as well. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.